Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will explore why reclaimed wood is gold to create stunning decor on a budget, build a profitable craft business. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting reclaimed wooden crafts in the modern era offers a powerful combination of economic advantage, practicality, and creative fulfillment, making it one of the most accessible and meaningful paths for makers, homeowners, and aspiring entrepreneurs alike. In a world where costs of raw materials continue to rise and sustainable living becomes a global priority, reclaimed wood emerges as both a smart financial choice and a deeply responsible one. Its affordability alone opens the door to creativity for anyone, regardless of budget, making woodworking less about expensive resources and more about imagination, skill development, and the ability to transform what others overlook into something practical, valuable, and beautiful. Whether the reclaimed wood comes from old furniture, construction leftovers, discarded pallets, fallen branches, or worn-out household items, each piece carries a story and a unique aesthetic character that cannot be replicated by new lumber, giving creators access to textures, grains, and tones that naturally elevate the final product without requiring costly tools or refinishing techniques. This natural advantage not only reduces expenses, but also enhances the visual appeal of each craft, making reclaimed wood one of the most financially and artistically rewarding materials to work with in today's creative landscape. One of the strongest economic benefits of reclaimed wood is that it allows beginners and professional creators to work with high-quality material at little to no cost. For many, woodworking feels financially intimidating because new wood, specialty boards, and premium hardwoods can be expensive and limiting. Reclaimed wood, however, removes that barrier entirely. By sourcing from local scrap piles, renovation leftovers, neighbors discarding old furniture, or even natural deadwood from parks or yards, creators gain access to a wide range of materials without spending money. This drastically lowers production costs, allowing artisans to produce more work, practice more often, and experiment more freely. When material costs are low or even zero, every project becomes an opportunity to refine skills and innovate designs without the pressure of wasting expensive lumber. In turn, this freedom to practice accelerates learning, boosts confidence, and helps new woodworkers discover their style faster than they ever could using costly new materials. Economically, reclaimed wood stretches every budget and transforms limited resources into endless creative possibility. The practicality of reclaimed wood extends far beyond cost savings. It simplifies learning, building, and crafting. Reclaimed wood often comes pre-weathered, aged, or textured by time, which gives it inherent strength and stability. This means it is less prone to warping, shrinking, or splitting, making it easier for beginners to work with while delivering highly durable results. Its imperfections, knots, nail holes, uneven tones, and rough textures contribute to its charm rather than detract from it, which reduces the pressure of achieving flawless precision. In fact, the natural irregularities of reclaimed would become part of the artistic identity of each piece, allowing builders to lean into rustic, industrial, or organic styles without needing advanced finishing techniques. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many modern interior trends celebrate these natural imperfections because they create warmth and authenticity in spaces that might otherwise feel too sterile or mass-produced. This is exactly why reclaimed wood has become a favorite among interior designers, homeowners, and craft sellers. It balances modern aesthetics with nostalgic charm, making each creation feel personal, grounded, and emotionally resonant. As the world moves toward environmentally conscious living, crafting with reclaimed wood has become not just practical, but socially relevant and even profitable. Today's consumers are more aware of sustainability, eco-friendly purchasing habits, and responsible material use. They want products that reflect their values, handcrafted items with a backstory, decor made from natural and recycled materials, and furniture that reduces waste instead of contributing to it. Reclaimed wood uniquely satisfies this demand. It allows creators to produce goods that align with the growing eco-conscious mindset while also appealing to buyers who appreciate authenticity and originality. This shift in consumer preference creates a strong market advantage for artisans working with reclaimed materials, increasing the value of handmade crafts and offering an affordable path to entrepreneurship. With minimal material investment and a high perceived value, reclaimed wood crafts offer excellent profit margins for anyone selling home decor, furniture, wall art, or small utility pieces. Beyond economics and market trends, the practicality of working with reclaimed wood supports creativity on every level. Because no two pieces are alike, each project feels fresh and inspiring, encouraging makers to design around the wood's natural shapes and textures. This connection between the raw material and the creative process brings a sense of authenticity to the craft and makes each finished piece feel alive with character. The creative process becomes a collaboration with the wood itself, transforming irregular offcuts into candle holders, turning broken boards into wall decor, reshaping old beams into modern tabletops, or crafting scrap pieces into elegant planters and centerpieces. The versatility of reclaimed wood is unmatched. Its ability to adapt to any style, from minimalist to rustic, industrial to farmhouse, bohemian to modern, gives crafters unlimited design possibilities without the need for buying new materials. This adaptability makes reclaimed wood the perfect medium for anyone balancing creativity with practicality. For those starting a business, reclaimed wood provides exceptional flexibility and scalability. Beginners can start small, creating decor pieces, art blocks, shelves, trays, frames, and organizers, while experienced creators can move into larger furniture, statement pieces, and custom orders. The low material cost means lower financial risk, allowing creators to test new designs, explore different markets, and grow their brand organically. As demand increases, sourcing reclaimed wood remains easy and affordable because it is abundant everywhere: construction sites, recycling centers, local communities, broken furniture, old barns, and natural surroundings. This steady supply ensures that artisans can scale their business without being affected by the rising prices of newly manufactured materials. In fact, many successful woodworking businesses today thrive entirely on reclaimed wood, not only because it is economical and beautiful, but because customers are willing to pay more for products that are environmentally responsible and crafted with meaning. The emotional value behind reclaimed wood is another practical advantage. Each piece carries a story from its past life, perhaps part of a home, a piece of history, or a structure built by previous generations. When artists transform this wood into something new, they preserve that story and add a new chapter. This emotional narrative enriches the final product, resonating with buyers who want decor that feels soulful, thoughtful, and purposeful. In a time when people crave connection and meaning, reclaimed wood craft offers exactly that. Pieces that hold more than beauty, they hold memory, heritage, and transformation. This emotional resonance gives reclaimed wood a competitive advantage in handmade marketplaces, making it easier for creators to attract loyal customers and build a brand that stands for quality, sustainability, and authenticity. In today's fast-moving world, crafting with reclaimed wood represents a return to mindful creation, slow craftsmanship, and resourceful innovation. It teaches makers to see potential where others see waste, to appreciate the natural beauty and imperfections, and to create from a place of purpose rather than pressure. Economically smart, environmentally responsible, and creatively fulfilling, reclaimed wood offers everything a modern craftsperson needs to thrive. It empowers beginners, inspires artists, elevates interiors, and builds sustainable businesses, all through the simple act of giving old wood a new life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning decor on a budget build a profitable craft business from reclaimed Dow. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.